Dear students, please pause the video and try this question. Please test your skills before we reveal the answer. So you have to find how many statements are correct. So this is about home guards. Someone who is guarding our home. Home means internal or our domestic matters. Okay. Home guard, guarding our internal matters. Okay. Now, home guards are raised under Home Guards Act and rules of central government. This raises suspicion. First suspicion, we haven't heard of such a central force. Second suspicion, UPSC aspirants write all other central government exams, but including CAPF. But never we have seen such a home guard recruitment. This is a second suspicion. Third, law and order, internal matters are duty of state government. So this has high chance of being wrong because of three suspicions. Second, role of home guards to serve as an auxiliary force to police to maintain internal security. So it is a subsidiary force or supportive force to state police. That is in direct contradiction with the first. First, we already know it has high chance to be wrong. Second, it is saying that it is auxiliary force to police. Then this has more chance to be correct as police under state government. Auxiliary force to police, more chance. Then to maintain internal security, internal thing, more chance. Okay. Now to prevent infiltration on border areas or coastal areas, border wing home guards have been raised in some states. So first thing, we know we already have BSF. We know BSF is raised by central government. But here, see the language, raised in some states. In case of BSF, BSF is raised by central government and then deployed to states. But here, border wing home guards has been raised in some state. Here, central government will not be raising in some state. Central government raise or create a force in center, then deploy to state. Here, it is saying that this is raised or created in some states. That is in synchronous or coherent with the second statement. Okay, and we have many border states. There are high chance that in some states, this border, at least one or two states, such a auxiliary force to police might have been created. Because some states, probability is there. And it is raised also in the state, not in center. So, it again solidifies that one is wrong. And this has chance to be correct. As a result, B becomes our correct answer. So, we have to check for consistency within a statement and also between statements. That will help us solve these type of questions. Now, home guards are, before going to theory, please share your thought process also in the comments about how you approach this question, and that will help someone else prepare. Now, home guards are a voluntary part-time force. Okay, so voluntary and part-time who assist police and civil administration during emergencies. So they are an auxiliary force. It was first raised in 1946 in Bombay to assist police during communal riot. But in 1962, Chinese aggression time, central government advised states and UTs to merge their existing voluntary forces into one uniform voluntary force called Home Guard. As a result, state governments passed Home Guards Act, and some border states they raised border wing Home Guards. See, border wing Home Guards have been raised, and they serve as auxiliary to BSF. Its organizational structure operates under state government Home Department, headed by Commandant General Home Guards in each state. MHA at the center just provides policy direction only. And this force is organized into rural and urban units. Eligibility usually 18 to 15 years of 50 years of age, physically and mentally fit, no criminal record, through state level notification and screening. As simple, nothing to by heart here. Expected criteria, and this varies from state to state. Currently, there are 5.5 to 6 lakh home guards across India in 26 states and UTs. Now, their duties and functions: they assist police in traffic control, crowd management, crime prevention, natural disaster, elections, festival, VIP security, border security, civil defense operations, community engagement, citizen safety awareness. They usually voluntarily enroll for 3 to 5 years. It's not a full-time job. They can pursue private occupation also. So this is only a part-time job. And paid duty allowance given only when they are called for active service. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more UPSC insights.